Good morning, my little kittens. How have you been lately? Let me know in the comments because I just want to know how have you been lately. So for today, I prepared for you 3 more makeup which are inspired by cars, obviously. And this will be like a series for supercars, and I'm so excited for this series because that one with the other cars was so nice and the makeups just turned out so beautiful. And I don't know, I just like to do that, and I'm kind of sad that the series will end after these 3 videos, so let's jump in. So as you can see, I already have my makeup base on, and I will leave the draft as usual here because you can make a screenshot if you want and just redo this makeup if you want. So first we're gonna design those lines, those white lines. And after that I'm gonna do that contour with the black liner. And keep my fist because I need good luck for this. So first, I'm gonna try to make a circle here on my eye, at least some kind of circle. So because we want to be symmetrical, I will paint this glass and I will just put this on my eye. I think it will be the perfect, oh my god, it will be a little bit, or not. So I finally found this one, and I'm gonna paint the edges on this, and we'll see how this will work out. I'm very curious, and I will try with this eye because if this works, I think I will have to just erase this one. It's full of paint, and now the moment of truth. So for this time I will try to make it on my right eye, and let's see the moment of truth. Wish me good luck. So we are going to try with this, and I hope this will work because it kind of worked, and I think it really worked, and I will just clean that a little bit and I think we're good. Now we're gonna do the little circles and boom. It looks like a C. So as you can see on the draft, we have many triangles here in the center. So first we're gonna do those, and after that we'll make that contour with the black, and we will also add a little bit of black eyeliner here, and let's do this. This makeup is so wearable, even on the streets. All my friends are asking me when I will do this on them. And even with sunglasses, this looks so nice. Look at this. I'm feeling very confident with my makeup, and now I will finish my drink, and after that I will go home. So this is the makeup, guys. It looks so cute, honestly. Look at my eyes. I feel like I have some glasses on, and I have some like type of flowers, I don't know. It looks so cute, and I just love this. I love this makeup, honestly. So your girl Glammedblondie finished her job, and now we are looking fabulous. If you like this video, go and press that like, bell and subscribe button because we will meet a little bit later. Now I'm going to find another cat.